Welcome to my channel, where I provide step-by-step guides to help you set up and maximize the potential of your smart home devices. Today, I'll be focusing on the Arlo Essential Spotlight Camera setup. Get ready to secure your surroundings with this powerful and versatile camera. Let's dive right in. Hey everyone, thanks for joining us today. I'm excited to show you how to set up the Arlo Essential Spotlight Camera. With its motion detection, two-way audio, and powerful spotlight, this camera ensures you have a clear view and complete control of your property. So, let's get started. In this video I'll be going to cover following topics. 1. Unboxing. 2. Camera placement. 3. Battery installation. 4. Arlo App Setup. 5. Adding the camera. 6. Connecting to Wi-Fi. 7. Camera configuration. 8. Testing and final thoughts. Step 1. Unboxing. The first step is unboxing the Arlo Essential Spotlight Camera. Inside the box, you'll find the camera itself, a rechargeable battery, a magnetic charging cable, a mounting kit, and an instruction manual. Make sure you have all the components handy before we move on. Step 2. Camera placement. Now that we have everything ready, let's decide on the ideal spot to install your camera. The Arlo Essential Spotlight Camera is designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Choose a location that covers the desired area while providing a clear line of sight. The mounting kit allows for easy installation on walls, ceilings, or any other surface. Make sure you have a stable and secure position for your camera. Step 3. Battery installation. The Arlo Essential Spotlight Camera comes with a rechargeable battery for wire-free convenience. To install the battery, simply open the back panel of the camera, insert the battery, and close the panel securely. Ensure the battery is properly connected and charged before moving on. Step 4. Arlo App Setup. Now, let's move on to the app setup. Download the Arlo app on your smartphone or tablet from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an Arlo account if you don't already have one. If you do, log in with your existing credentials. Step 5. Adding the camera. After logging in, tap on the Add Device option in the app. Select Arlo Essential Spotlight Camera from the list of available devices. The app will guide you through the setup process, which includes scanning a QR code on the camera to establish a connection. Step 6. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Next, you'll need to connect your camera to your Wi-Fi network. The Arlo app will prompt you to select your network and enter the password. Make sure you have the correct credentials to establish a secure connection. Step 7. Camera configuration. Once your camera is connected to Wi-Fi, you can customize its settings to suit your preferences. The Arlo app allows you to adjust motion detection sensitivity, set up activity zones, configure notifications, and more. Take some time to explore these options and personalize your camera's behavior. Step 8. Testing and final thoughts. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your Arlo Essential Spotlight Camera. Before we wrap up, make sure to test the camera by walking in its detection zone. The motion sensor should trigger the spotlight and send you a notification on your phone. If everything works as expected, you're good to go. That concludes our Arlo Essential Spotlight Camera setup guide. I hope you found this video informative. With your Arlo camera now up and running, you can keep a watchful eye on your surroundings and enhance your home security. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment and please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video.